do you have muscle cramps? Because I did in the past, and I have found very effective exercise. I'm going to show you how to do them. There are few, no equipment necessary. At home I use my wall, hands on the wall, and I get as fast as I can. My heels are on the ground, and I start walking very slowly, but heel is on the ground. I can feel my calf stretches. This is a slow walk. I do it 10 to 20 times. The next one is a bit more complicated, but the same. I need my wall to steady myself, and no other equipment. My heel is always to touch the ground or the floor, and another leg is a bit in front, so I can feel the stretch. I hold the move for 10-15 seconds. I can lower my hands and get higher. The heel is on the ground, the heel touches the ground. Holding the move, counting to 10 or 15. The heel touches the ground. The next one. This is our initial position. I bent a bit my knee. I hold my foot. I feel my muscle. Just try to pull the feet as hard as I can. Both hands. Holding the move. Counting to 10. The same position, initial position, bending one knee. Pulling as hard as we can, as hard as I can. Don't bend this one. I feel my calf, I feel the stretch. Holding this move for 10-15 seconds. The next one is using my bed or a chair, positioning myself like that, and I start to massage my foot with both hands as hard as I can. This is to increase the flexibility. The same with another foot. I think these are the most effective exercises, and they helped me to avoid the pain during the night. I hope it will help you.